I'm busy.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to mash the potato, I want you to cook them, and put them into that pie.
Put it in the pie.
Ooh, we get to go on snowy roads. I assume I'm going straight.
Left.
Left. Got it.
Do you think the Aldi's is downtown?
Downtown?
Right, right. I told you right. What part of?
I didn't hear it. You just said Center Avenue and Bob Boulevard.
That was Bob.
See, now we can be that person that makes a U-turn in the middle of the road.
Don't do that.
Or what? Dude, we gotta get some lettuce, man. Get some lettuce, man. For this feast.
I don't know what to do.
Alright.
Yeah, sorry about that.
If we just like
You wanna use that stuff?
No, you don't use a vegetable oil because that's something with the temperature.
Hold up. This isn't right. This doesn't feel right. Oh, we're ready. We're live. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what not to do at home.
It's
Get enough there.
it's gotta be the same amount, right? It asks for an entire container of food.
Food without having yeah.
Let's just we're in the mix.
This is gonna be 35 minutes of straight. How thick is it? What's the thickness level on there?
You know what? That's what
And
it takes when you make a nice pie. It takes a little extra love.
That actually really looks good. It's hot! It's hot! It just came off the pan! What kind of roast chicken is big? Potatoes. Are you putting it on your hand?
Yeah, then we're gonna.
You're gonna put your hand all over it.
Well, no, I wash my hands.
Move that around in there.
What do you mean move it around?
You wanna move it, give us some breathe? You want it longer? You want it longer?
Just potato soup. You like a little potato soup? You'll be mashed potatoes one day. If you work hard enough and you believe in yourself, one day it will be mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
I don't have a masher. Don't forget the pie.
My sodium levels are so high. Tears are shedding.
They're dripping.
On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a solid -7. I don't know. You get about an 8.
You like them at potatoes.
I like them.
You like the potatoes. Chicken's an 8.
I gave it a 6. 2. Let's try the pie stick.
It didn't freeze. We'll save it for later. Shout out to First National Bank. Thank you so much.
I like Any Health Network as well.
AGH.
Always stay healthy.
We can't wait to hang out at the Pro Bike and Run. We're going to be spending all of our post games there. Matt Banoski, real estate agent, North Hills. You're looking for a house anywhere in Pittsburgh. Look no further. Matt Banoski. We're going to get to give away the disc that we signed at our last giveaway.
Can't wait.
So whoever was that guy who said he was only commenting because he wanted the Frisbee, we're going to send it out to him. That guy. Fantastic meal, Chef.
You as well, sir.